Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Onyinyechiikechiweta here. In today's video, I will show you guys how to add end screens and card to your videos. This video is going to be helpful to new YouTubers and people that are starting up that doesn't have some ideas on how to make their video look good or better than what it used to be. So today I'll be showing you guys how to add end screens. By end screens, I mean if you watch YouTube videos, at the end of the videos you get to see videos that pops up in the screen of any of the video you watch. That video is trying to tell you that you should click on it and watch it so that you'll be able to, it's like, how will I put it, it's like a way of telling you to click on a video so that you'll be able to watch it. And also when the video is, if you're watching a video, you see something like a small eye at the top, it should be the top right hand side. Yes, the top right hand side of the screen, you see something like an eye. That thing is called card. It's still a link to another video that is created, that is made by that particular YouTuber. So anytime you see them say maybe click on the I button to watch this video or about something, or check the end screen and you see the video that pops up, watch it, and those things, they're trying to link you to the other videos they have. So I'm going to show you guys how to add those end screens to your video. For some time now, I watch videos of my fellow YouTubers that are just starting, and some of them, they don't have end screens, they don't have card, like linking people up to the other videos they've created. So it just came up like a burden to me. So I was like, let me just make a tutorial video to tell you guys how to add those things to your video so that it will look very touch now, you know what I mean, so that by the time people watch it, they see your end screen looking very good and you have your cards that links people to your other videos, so that by the time you keep doing it and adding those things, you learn more on how to do all that. And so that is why I'm doing this video. So please stay tuned till the end, and please don't forget to subscribe. Subscription is free. You're not paying anything to subscribe. You just to click the red button, and after clicking the red button, you turn on the post notification, and that's all. That is all it takes to do it. So please do well to subscribe, like, comment on my video, and also share the video to as many persons that you know is going to help. So now, without further ado, let's start the tutorial. You start off by going to Google Chrome, you open it up, and this is the interface you see there. So when it comes up like this, if you don't have YouTube in your home page, you can click on this search or type URL, and then you type www.youtube.com. it has already come up, so I will just click on it and then I'll move forward. Then it opens up this way to your own YouTube homepage. So when it opens up this way, you click on the right hand side that has your face on it. Then it pops up with your channel name and this creator studio, which is the YouTube creator studio. So you just tap on that creator studio and it opens up to your videos, where you have your videos, your channels, and the rest things. So when it opens up this way, you just tap on any video you want to add those end screens to. You select the video that you want to add the end screen to. Let me just select this one. So you click on the edit. When you click on the edit, you see something like this. You see info and settings, enhancement, audio, end screen, card, subtitle, /cc. But the one we're going for now is end screen. We want to add end screen to this video. So click on end screen, and then it brings us to the end screen page that looks like this. It's still opening up, so it comes up this way. if you can see, this video already has an end screen, but I'm going to do it again so that you guys can see it very well. So when it opens up, you see preview, view, use template, import from video, and then add elements. But we're going to tap on this add elements, then it will open up. You see video or playlist, subscribe, channel, and the rest of them. This video or playlist means that you should select the video that you want to appear on this part of your screen. Then this subscribe is for you to select your subscribe link that will appear on the end screen when your video is about to finish. So, and let's come down. This blue stuff you're seeing here now, it shows you where the end screen is going to start from. That which means if I click on this any video now, it's going to start from 3 minutes 56 seconds. But if you don't want it to be this long, you can actually click here. You can click on 4 minutes. You want it to start from 4 minutes, and then it will play till the end of this video. So let's put our end screen. So we'll go to add element and click on add element to bring up video or playlist. Then you click on create. When you click on create, it will give you most recent upload, which is the one you just uploaded recently. Then best for viewer means YouTube will select the ones that is best for you, that is suitable for your viewer. And then the last one is choose a video or playlist. You get to choose a video that you want to appear on the place on the end screen. So I'm going to click on best for viewer because I want YouTube to select the one that is suitable for my viewer. So after clicking on best for viewer, I will click on create element, and then you see it's showing working. It's trying to work it out. So look at that best for viewer that I put over here, but I don't want it to be here, so I will just move it over to this side because I don't want it to be there. So I've moved it over to this side, and after this one now I will also have, I want to put another one. I want to put my subscribe link, so I'll just click on create, and then my subscribe link comes up like this. I can also, if I don't want it this way, I can move it to this side of the bar. So this is how it is. You can also add on other ones. If you want to promote another person's channel, you can also add a link to the person's channel as well. So if I want to add another video playlist, I'll just create again, and then go to most recent upload. I'll just click on most recent upload, and then I create elements. It will just create for me and go straight to that place after working. So I don't want it up there. I'll just bring it down again to this side of the bar. So when you finish this arranging your end screen the way you want it to be, you can preview it by clicking on this preview button here. You click on this preview button, and then it will start previewing for you. After loading up, then the end screen comes up, so you can see it. It stays at the end of the video. So this goes for end screen. When you finish and you have previewed, you are sure that this one is okay and you have worked everything out, then you click on save. It's saving. When you finish saving, you see it will display all changes saved, which means it is saved. So that is for end screen. Then we'll go to cards. You click on cards. Card is this stuff that pops up. There's an eye that always comes up in front of every video, or anybody that knows how to use such. I already have one card here, but I'm going to add another one. I already have one card in this video, 2 cards I mean, but I'm going to add one for you so that you get to understand what I'm saying. So when you open this particular place, you first of all click on where you want that card to be, just the way I did it. I just clicked. I want that card to display at this 44 seconds. I want it to display. So after clicking on where I want it to be, then I'll go to add card. After clicking on add card, I'll just click on create. It will bring me up to this part of the box. Then I'll click on any video I want to pop up on that video. So I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to choose this particular one. I'm still searching. Okay, let me just choose this one. So if I click on this one, I'll go to create card. Once I create card, it will display there. So for you to preview it, it's already there. So since I've created it now, if you look, you see this eye that is displaying here. If I click on it, you see this eye. It shows you the different cards that is on this video, that is displayed on this video. It showed you the different card that is attached to this video. So when you're watching the video, the cards will be popping up and be displaying there, so you see it the way it shows. So after doing that, if you look here, you will see all changes saved, which means, so if you watch, you can see it suggested how to edit video on Android phone. This is the card we're talking about here. This is it. It stayed there, and then we'll go to the end screen. You can see the end screen. This is what we're talking about. So guys, you can see it's not hard to add an end screen and card to your videos to make it look okay, and those things also give links to the other videos you've created, and also enable people to watch those other videos that is added to the end screen and the card. So the end screen is just like it's suggested on your own videos. So it's something you can do. It's easy to achieve. So I look forward to seeing as many of us that are small YouTubers doing these things to make our videos look okay. Thank you guys for watching to this point. If you find this tutorial helpful in any way, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, share my videos to as many persons that you feel it's going to help. And don't forget to be yourself all the time. It's one of the key that keeps me going. Being yourself is everything. So I will see you guys in the next video. Stay blessed.